Okay, cool. So first thing we're going to do is just remove that little bit of fat, a little bit of gristle that sits on top of the leg there by the H-bone. So once we've done that, we're going to then work round the H-bone, just working our way through the little ball and socket joint that sits in there. Okay, cool. So now the H-bone has been removed, we're going to remove the shank, which is the lower part of the leg. So you just feel for the little bit of cartilage there, run the knife down, and open the joint up so you can see what you're doing. So just going to run the knife down through the joint, little back cut, just to put a nice face on the shank. And now we're going to just show you how to do sort of easy cook lamb. So we're just going to tunnel bone it out, and then we're going to actually put the bone back in so that you get the best of both worlds. So the bone has come out nice and clean after tunnel boning, and I've literally just popped it back in, as you can see the way it come out. So now the last thing to do is to tie up the nice leg of lamb. I've got some Henry winning twine. It's in like a green and black, because green is for lamb. Just yeah, breaks it up, a little bit of a change from the standard white string. Like I said before, added double benefit of this is that A, it's super easy to carve, and B is that you get all the juices from the bone, so you really do get a epic all-round Sunday lunch that is just super easy, good for sort of 4 people. So yeah, hope you found the video informative, and we will see you next time.